Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled purple onions. First, gather your simple ingredients and a clean jar. This quick recipe is perfect for adding a burst of flavor to many dishes. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to transform a humble onion into a vibrant, tangy topping. Let's get started and create a delicious condiment that will impress everyone. For our pickled onions, you'll need 1 large red onion, about 3/4 cup of white or apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Begin by peeling and thinly slicing your red onion. A mandolin works wonderfully for consistent, thin slices, but a sharp knife is also effective. Once sliced, tightly pack the onion into a clean, heat-safe glass jar. Now let's prepare the pickling brine. In a separate bowl or measuring cup, combine the 3/4 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir this mixture thoroughly until both the sugar and salt have completely dissolved. This warm brine helps infuse the onions with flavor quickly. Carefully pour the liquid over the sliced onions in the jar, making sure they are fully submerged. Once the brine is added, let the jar cool to room temperature on your counter. After cooling, cover the jar and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or ideally, overnight for the best flavor. These pickled onions will keep fresh in your fridge for up to 2 to 3 weeks. They are fantastic on tacos, salads, burgers, and even avocado toast, adding a bright, tangy crunch. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.